Hello again, and thank you for joining Jeff and Jenny's Classic Restorations. Well, I was going to say Jenny won't be in this one, but she might be in a minute. She's just coming over. But finally, say I didn't have a video last week. It's taken me a week to get this running okay. Basically, after cleaning carburetors out and what have you several times, the tank, eventually I decided to remove the fuel filter that came with the new fuel tap, which is very small, and this bit of fuel pipe kept, yes, that's enough. This fuel pipe kept twisting as well, so I bought some brand new fuel pipe today. I'm taking out the filter, and now that's connected from the tank straight to the carburetor, because the fuel tap has got a filter in there anyway, so there wasn't any point putting another one in. It just slows the flow down. And I've been down to the shops today. You can see I put a little clip of me leaving and coming back from the shops. So I'm just going to give one quick test whilst you're here. We'll jack it up, kick it over, hope for the fingers crossed, hope for the best. And then I've got to get some tidying up done, because it's all I've got to get it ready for Saturday. It's Thursday today for the BSA meetup. It's just been desperate rush to try and get things finished for this engine side of things. Also, I'll be doing on behalf of a friend of mine from Vintage Moped World, Johnny Singh. He's asked me if I wouldn't mind just putting up his raffle on the website. So in a little while, I'll show you a little bit about that. And I've bought it's £1 a go for this moped, which I'll explain a bit later. And I bought 5, and you buy 5 you get 3 free. I think the same, you buy £10 you get a few more free. So anyway, I'll show that a little bit later on. So just one little quick go on this before we go for the video on Saturday at the show up near Daventry. So I'll get this jacked up, kick it over, and then hopefully you can see it running. So let's give it a go. Right, okay, so it's all jacked up now. Let's just hope for the best. I don't think it will need any choke, because it wasn't about an hour ago I came back. There we go. It's taken about a week to get this right. Hope the lights all work now. And at the back. And the horn. So I think I just need to sort the tick over out. When it's a bit cold, it's a bit low, the tick over, but right, okay, so I need to have a little bit of a tidy up now, because it's all dripped and petrol in there. So I've got to tidy it up for Saturday. I'm going to do a separate show for that. You'll see us going down there. My brother-in-law from Thailand, he's a director as well, so hopefully he can get some nice shots for me from outside, you know, when I'm riding. And so in a minute, just going to show you this raffle for a friend of mine. It's for Johnny Singh. He's from Vintage Moped World. So have a look at his raffle. It's a very good moped. It's his best one he's got. Only 40,000 miles, 40 miles, I believe, from new. So I'll probably do a voiceover on that one. So that's just it for this week. I'll just show you it's all running, and I'll see you next time from the show in Daventry, between Daventry and Birmingham. So I'll just do the voiceover now, and I'll show you the raffle. As I mentioned, this is the raffle from Johnny Singh from Vintage Moped World. There's a little icon at the bottom of the screen there if you'd like to just join the Facebook group anyway. It's quite a few members. But I did promise I would show you this raffle. I've bought £5 worth, and you get 3 goes free. And as you go for more, £10 worth, you get a few more. Now it's a Thomas Tango 1992, and it's only got 40 miles from new. So I just put some pictures up for you now, and I'll leave a link at the end of the video in the description. So yeah, please help Johnny out. He does a lot for the Vintage Moped World scene, and yeah, best of luck if you do get some. So until perhaps Sunday, I'll be back, hopefully with some videos from the show in between Coventry and Daventry. So you take care. See you soon. Bye for now.